Yeah, I'm back again. What's up, guys? My name is Iris. Okay. Um, let me start fresh. What's up, guys? My name is Iris, and in this video, I'm going to be showing I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp clone using Django, Python, HTML, CSS, and that's what we're going to be using. So once more, welcome to Resbrotherx, and I was invited to be a software engineer for the Resbrotherx live stream. So I'm going to show you how to create popular websites, Django, popular websites like YouTube, WhatsApp. I know you must have seen it on the Facebook page. We posted it there, which we've seen some reactions. Okay, so sorry about last time we didn't kind of follow up on last time. We had an issue with the Michael kind of had, I don't know, maybe it was the network, but I hope we things are resolved so far. So without further notice, please let's get started. Okay, please, I apologize for back then last time we were about to create a blog, but we'll use the WhatsApp to make it up to you. Okay, this time is the WhatsApp clone we're working on right now. Okay, if you have any question, please drop a comment on the down description below. Please let me get to you. I know most of it was just with the channel just opened newly, so I'm not going to be receiving much comments or questions, so I'll just get going. It's going to be saved on the YouTube channel. um, so let's get started. Okay, right now we are in window, so we'll start with Python. We're going to check if Python is installed on our system, but before we get started, let me show you what the site we're going to be working on. So the UI team worked on the HTML, the HTML site. So let's see the HTML site, that's the WhatsApp clone. So they are the ones that worked on this, but they are still going, which I said we don't have much time, so let's get started. But we're going to be working on the chat on this episode. Most of the chat, the chat, let me just click it and show you what we're going to be working on. This is what we're going to be working on. So this is the WhatsApp clone we're going to be working on, though it's not really that complete, but so far so good. Thanks to them, we just want to work on this. Then after that, we're going to work on status. So let's use the I'm saying uh, let's see that, sorry about that, images. Okay, let's use this to know how the WhatsApp is gonna be. I hope I find something. Okay, let's just start with it. Okay, we're gonna be working on the chats. After the chats, we're gonna be working on the calls, status. This ain't really what I was looking for because it doesn't have much. I hope I get to find what I'm looking for. So let's see. I don't think WhatsApp web. Let's try this WhatsApp web. Let's see if we're gonna find something. It's just I can't really find something. Man, please hang on with me. I want to show you so that you know what we're gonna be working on. WhatsApp app. I need the one that has both the status and you know what I meant. Okay, let's just say, yeah, okay, this one has the chat, has the status, has the calls and whatever. So we're gonna be starting with the chats. Then we jump into the status. You know what I mean. You have everybody has WhatsApp on the phone, so if you want to check what I mean, please click on your phone and see what I meant. So right now this is a chat. After this we work on the status. Okay, so let me see if this thing is working. So it's working. Okay, let's just say okay. So before they do, let's get started. So right now this is what we're going to be working at using Python. So let's check if we have Python. That's very important to check if Python is installed on your PC. You let me say cmd, that's the command line, command prompt. Okay, something is running on this. We can't use this because it looks terrible right now, very terrible. It's not looking so nice. So there's a command prompt we're going to be installed. If you don't have it, okay, this command line is very beautiful and it's called it's called git bash. Okay, that's it. Click on it and install it. I already have git bash, but it's very important. Install git bash and it will be installed. Right now it's on my desktop, so I have git bash installed. And refresh. Where's my git bash? Okay, here it's over here. So this might git bash. So if you install it, run the process, the installation process, and this is how it's going to be looking like. And if you installed git bash, remember, just go to the git bash website, type git bash on the search engine, and it's going to bring you here. Click on the download. Once you click on the download, it automatically starts downloading git bash. Wait for it. I already have it. Then press. So we don't need it. Now go to git bash. Now you type Python to know if Python is in your system. Python hyphen space, Python then space hyphen version. That's it. You click on it. Okay, I have Python 3.9 installed, Python 3.9.4 installed on my system, so meaning I have Python. But if you don't have Python, you should go to their official site, type Python, yeah, or the download, but may yours might not show. Just click on type Python, then it shows the first site that comes up. That's the official site. Click on it. That if you don't have Python installed on your PC, then after you click on that, now go straight to the download. I don't know. Straight to the download and click on Python download. Once you click on it, I already have it, so I don't need it installed. But once you install Python, it's going to be on your download folder. Click on it. It's very important, and some people make mistake while installing Python. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. The mistake is, do I have okay, this is the Python. If I click on it, I've already installed it, so I don't want to restore it. The process of installing it takes time, but I see it says repair because I already have Python. So let me explain what I made now. Okay, let's say Python add to path. People have issues now. Once installing it is going to look like this. Please be patient, please. Let's click on this image. Now let's take this for instance. Yeah, it's going to pop out this window. It's going to be like this. It's going to say install Python. Remember, check on this Python, add Python 3.7 to path. Check on it. Once you check on it, then you click install now. Remember, check on this, then click install now. It's very important. So let's get started. Okay, now we have Python. So after that, I've shown you how to check the Python. Just type Python hyphen version. Then if it still shows it's not showing, then go back, watch this video again, explain, or you go to YouTube and type how to install Python in your operating system. But I believe that it's going to show after you follow what I told you, installing Python. Okay, let's get started. Now we have Python. Another thing we need VS Code. VS Code is very important. Click on VS Code. This will be our editor, code editor. So click on VS Code. It's very important. This will be our code editor. Now After installing VS Code, click on the download. Once you click on the download, it's going to download VS Code for you. Now you can choose Windows, Mac, whatever. So I'm going with the window because that's what I'm using. So if I click, you can click whatever your operating system is, but I'm going with the window. It will wait for it, it will automatically start downloading. We don't need that. So now once it downloads, install this. Okay, once you have finished installing this tray stuff on your system, let's get started. So do we need anything else? We have VS Code, we have Git, we have Python. Okay, what do we need else? Okay, the rest will be on the VS Code, right? So you can still install Sublime if whatever you can use your editor of your choice, whatever editor. There are tons of editors. I'm using Sublime and VS Code. Okay, for this you can use whatever editor you want of your choice. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, now another thing is very important, very important. There's this documentation, or should I say Python code, that Offshore team wrote. It's gonna help us to speed up, and it has tons of Python codes, of tons as in thousands of Python codes. So we're gonna be taking advantage of it, but we're gonna install it. We won't use it directly, but we are going to install it. So now we will go to this side. I typed it through because the type sometimes it's called freelancerswift.com. So you can click on here, click on window, whatever operating system is, so click on download. If it's Mac, click on download. It takes you directly down to here. It's built by Offshore the Africa. So it's a nice looking site. It builds, it's amazing. So I don't know whether, but I love it when somebody introduced it. It has helped me a lot, so I'm going to introduce it to. So I have it already installed. I've already button it. It's very nice. Don't worry, don't panic. Don't panic. I'm still going to show you every code line by line. It's not much. We have this, but if you want to work on several other projects, you can take advantage. I'm just saying you can take advantage of this right now. So I'll show you the process. Now I already have this, but I would have showed you because right now it's showing me buy now, but if I button it, it will be showing me download. But due to it's not my login, this another account I created in it because I bought a new system. So right now it's showing me buy. I'll show you how it looks like. I've already bought it, so I go to my desktop. Don't worry, don't panic, no much. I'm just showing you another thing that is going to help you if I'm not there to code for you, or you didn't see what you're looking for on the internet on Google. So Django, where I say my Django project Codex. So this Codex, this code. So let's say, let me open this on Sublime. I'm opening it, let you see what I mean. Wait for it. Open folder. So it's gonna look as a zip. Then you can extract it, Django project, then Codex, then select folder. Okay. Once you start install it, extract it as a zip. This is how it's gonna look like. It has tons of Python code, ages, and so on and so forth. I will be doing tutorial based on Codex, but right now we're working on tutorial on Python. Now this is what I mean. There are tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of Python code for data analysis, web, artificial intelligence, whatever you want to code in Python. They have tons, and they are still upgrading more. These are codes that you can use, AI, API, whatever. This is so amazing. So I am committed. If you want it, you can take advantage of that. It has the this time it has the ages too. So it has tons and tons of ages. code. It has tons of it. It has SQL connections. It has, oh god, I can't explain myself that much. So if you go to that, okay, let's still go back to this code. That's SQL connector. It has a connector. I love it. It has helped me a lot to, you know, done most of the work that has been giving me pain in the ass stuff. So I'm just saying, okay, for now let's get back to the time. Now we have our, let me see if there is any comments or someone being live. Okay, currently I'm the only one live right now, but let's get started. It's so annoying to be alive alone. It's so boring and not cool, right? Okay, now we have checked it. Now let's get started. First of all, we're going to create a directory here. We're going to create a directory. I'm going to be doing everything in terminal right now. So Python, ls list. So let's list where we are right now. We are in the so this is the desktop. I'm going to create a folder in the desktop. Let me log into the desktop. Push into the dex. Sorry, it should be dex desktop. Okay, I'm into the desktop. I can ls again. Okay, this is my desktop. Now I'm going to make a directory. Make dir. Make directory. What folder am I going to create? I'm going to create WhatsApp app. I'm going to create WhatsApp. Okay, now it's going to file ls list it. I'm going to see a folder named WhatsApp. Let's see if you say, please let me know, guys, if you guys are on live. So okay, we have a WhatsApp link. Maybe it's the one I already created. So WhatsApp. It's alright to find stuff. Okay, let's see, it's on folder. Should be a refresh. WhatsApp. Okay, there it is. Right now it's very empty. The folder we created is empty. It should be showing here. I don't know why it's showing it. Let's go. Okay, this time you should see it. Maybe you've seen it the first time, but I don't know what is wrong with my. Okay, here it is. Okay, why is it? Oh, it was here all along. I don't know. I have issues with mine sometimes. Okay, this is the WhatsApp. Okay, let's get started. Now we'll see the inside of WhatsApp. See the inside WhatsApp. Okay, we're there. Now we are going to create a virtual environment. Virtual env. We'll name it. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to name my venv, virtual environment. So follow it. So creating a virtual environment that everything is going to be storing inside the virtual environment, all the packages, libraries, and whatever we're going to be using. Right now we've created it, so we're going to activate it so that it be active whenever we install it. Goes directly inside the virtual environment. Okay, because source venv script activate. Okay, I've activated the virtual environment. Click ls. Okay, right now the folder isn't empty anymore. It has a venv, so, and it's been activated. So right now yes sir, now we have activated the virtual environment. If you go, you will see it's not empty anymore. If you click on it now, yeah, we have it. Once you click, there are libraries, side packages. I was referring to this, the few ones it came with. So that's it. So now let's get started. So we'll go back to the terminal. Now it's been activated. We're going to be installing the package Django, so that's where Django comes in. Django we're going to be using for our back end. So we say pip install the Django. Okay, wait for it. So now Django is installing, and we'll continue on it. So if you like this channel, you want to know more on how to create popular website clones, YouTube clones, Boomplay, because the next one we're going to be working on is on Boomplay clone. So if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel and like the video if it's interesting, you love it, because I'm bringing this for free. It's not really easy sitting on a seat and coding without nobody making reactions or saying stuff. Okay, so please help me subscribe and get tons of like to this channel. If you love it, share it and all. So let's wait for it, and it's very important. Okay, the shirt pro you can install, it has tons of packages. So I'll be getting code from Codex, so it's gonna help me a lot. So that's why that's the reason why I could be able to create every clone I can, because of Codex. Okay, let's get started. Now Django is installed. We're going to install Pillow. Pip install Pillow. Pillow is a package for images. Okay, now it says oh, sorry, I made a mistake. It's pip install. I forgot to install. I've made a mistake. Install Pillow. Okay, so Pillow is a package used for images. It helps with the image uploads, the image installation and others. So Pillow is installed successfully. Now we are going to, now we have Pillow and Django. We have Django. Most importantly, now we're going to create our project. So we say admin start start project. What are we going to name this project? Let's name it WhatsApp again. Git bash admin start start, right? Let's try to start project. Still, let's give it a shot. Nope, still something. Admin Python. It should, oh, sorry, it should be Django. I did the first time. It should be Django admin. So we install Django admin start project, not project start. That project WhatsApp. Okay, now the project has been created. Sorry about that, I forgot to put the Django. Now let's see the project we have here. ls. Okay, now the project has been added, so let's go to the folder and see what he gave us. Now that's the WhatsApp. Is it settings, URL, whatever? I'll be explaining that. And manage, that's what about, still explain that later on. Let's get started. We need an app. Okay, app is you can have multiple apps. You can have the login app, users app, admin app, whatever, kind of making it more, looking more advanced and professional. That's why Django is a huge framework for creating multiple projects, multiple apps. But Flask can't create multiple. It's a single stuff, maybe like a chat or something that you didn't need multiple stuff and stuff, you know. Okay, let's get started. Now we need an app. Python manage .py start app. What are we going to call it? WhatsApp app, because we can't have the same name with the project. It's not going to work. So that app, what does it say? No such file or directory. Oh, Python manager WhatsApp. Okay, we have to cd into the WhatsApp. That's the reason why cd into the WhatsApp that we just created. We have to enter into the folder WhatsApp. Okay, we're inside now. ls. Okay, that's the manage we've been looking for. This is the manage. Now let's continue. So let's say let's reverse Python manage WhatsApp app. Okay, now it works. Okay, now we have created an app. If we say ls, that's the app. It has a WhatsApp. So let's say let's continue. So now we have the WhatsApp with several stuff several stuff. Okay, let's get started. We have our app now. So let's say code. Let's open this in our code editor. So if you don't have Sublime VS Code, please install VS Code. I've showed you how. Now we're going to be opening this in our VS Code. Now you say code dot slash, then this will open it in our VS Code. Okay, it has opened in the VS Code. Now we have a couple of these are virtual environments and this our app. So now wherever you install an app, you should go to the settings and add the app. It's very important. So you go into installed apps, which we installed WhatsApp. I don't like any but the way I put it, but it's necessary. So we install it. Whatever you called your own, it's okay. Just add it over here. WhatsApp. That's how it looks, right? Yeah. Am I correct? Yeah, I'm correct. Okay. Then you save it. It's very important. Then after that, then we'll be needing a URL in the app because it doesn't have a URL. So we'll be creating one for it. So go over here, new file, url.py, urls. Okay, now we have URL. Right now it's blank. Don't worry about it. This is a setting area for our project. Now, okay, I'll explain this later in the next video. So what am I saying? Let me show you how to run Codex, and which is a very nice editor. But for now, let's run this too. Now we have our own project and app. I'll show you this how to run, then go. Seems like we'll use VS Code to run our terminal editor. So now go to terminal, new terminal, and type in, oh, we need to activate it. It's very important. So where are we? We are in VNV. Then we say source venv script. If you want to activate it, if you're not using Git Bash and you are using your terminal, your command prompt, another way to activate it is how to activate it on the command prompt is you just say that's a script venv, whatever you call your visual, venv. Nope, not this, the other way, scripts, then that script, then activate. Then this will activate it. That's if you're using the normal terminal, but it's not going to work on Git Bash because this is Ubuntu. It's an Ubuntu kind of terminal, so that's why it's not going to work. It's like, so this work on Linux or Ubuntu, so that's why it's just venv, then scripts, then activate. Sorry, I've been awake for a long time, so I've not been feeling myself for a little. I've been in the office for a long time, coding all throughout. So sorry about that. That's why I'm not feeling too amazed by rest. Whatever. Let's get started. Okay, it's been activated. So we say Python manage the py run server. Let's see. Okay, what to say? No such. Okay, same issue we had the other time. That's because the manage is not on this. When we say ls, see, there's no manage like what we did. We have to cd into WhatsApp. Okay, then you can write the Python manage your payload. Python run server. Wait for it. Okay, it's now running. Okay, once you click on it, what's going on? This part, so your project may not require you apply migrate for the project. Oh, okay, we have to make migration and migrate, so it may not work properly. So let's see what we don't have here. We need this one. We don't need this one. Okay, still me live, which is not fun. Okay, let's see. This very important. Let me say you're using a Debian. You just have to click on Debian. Right now I'm using Windows. You see, it's loading. That's for the payments. I don't have my ATM with me, and my phone is totally off. Can you imagine? Okay, that's it. So you can buy it using a credit card, and credit card, or you can do bank transfer, or you can transfer. I can use USSD. Wow, it's new. USSD and United Bank of Africa. Choose your bank to start the payments. Stroke Bank, United Bank of Africa. Okay, transfer. I kind of prefer transfer because this is the bank you transfer it to. Let me say I've sent the money. Once you transfer to the bank, you can say I've sent the money. It's going to be checking. So if there was no money, it's not going to process. But right now I did send the money because my phone is tripped up. I would have tested it. Let's see. So to know that this, it says 4,000 naira, then let's copy this and search. Let's check what 4,000 naira means to dollar. 4,000 naira to dollar. It says 9.69. That's $9. Right, okay, it's $9. Am I right? Yeah, this is $9. Okay, $9.69. That's what 4,000 naira. $9.69. So let's just say it's $10. This is $10. That's what it's worth. $10. You have this. I have it for window. You can have it. So right now at the purchase, so it's just $10. You can buy it. You can click on it, buy. After buying, I don't know why I clicked it. Yeah, after paying for it, it belongs to you, so you can still buy it. Buy. Okay, whatever. Let's see folders we don't need. I don't like things being occupying space in my system. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. I have the code already. Okay. We don't need this. Okay, let's see Control C. Okay, now we need to, it said your project may not work properly until you apply migration. migrations. Okay, let's say Python manage.py migrate. That's the migration it was referring to. Okay, now we have migrated. So say Python manage.py run server. Let's see if it shows it again. Okay, now it's gone. Yeah, so there's no, it's gonna not work properly. It says system check identify no issue 0 my list. Okay, now let's check it again. Okay, yeah, so the install worked successful. Congratulations. Now this is how it's going to be looking. It's baby jets, flying to South Asia. I don't know. It looks so tight. Okay, it says installation worked successfully. Congratulations. Now we have our Django side. So it's up and running. Django 3.7. So that's it. Our site is up and running. Now let's get started with Codex. Okay, Codex. I already have it. So it was on my other system, so I had to push it on the flash to push it here. But I'm still gonna link my Gmail to this, real Gmail to this, to install it and maybe on Boomplay. Okay, let's Boomplay clone. Let's get started. So I'm going to stop the server. Now we have our folder. So I would have used code S because it would be easier without going through all this process. Codes I've already done it for us, but I was saying okay, because of there's much code running, this will kind of mean using much. So let's get started. I'm going to open it right from here in Codex. Open folder. Let's look for the code S. Django project code S. Now select it. Okay, it's open. Now Codex is open. Let's say where is the manage? Okay, that's it. New terminal. I'll say SAS EEMB scripts activate. I don't manage.py run server. Oh, sorry, same thing again. Manage is not yours, I have to cd into Resbrotherx. Okay. What did I do? Let's say, I don't know, maybe I've touched code on it. Oh, I opened it. They commented it, so I went and opened it. Sorry, they commented it. I went and opened it. Maybe. I wonder why they commented the control. Control save. Let's see, maybe if it's there. I think. Run 7. I don't think. Let's see. Click install. I don't know, maybe I've tampered with the code or something. Click install. Maybe I need to migrate to something. Python manage py migrate. This is already accurate. No name REST framework. Oh, okay. REST framework. REST framework. It said no module name to REST framework. So we need to install REST framework. I don't know why I need to install REST framework, because maybe probably because I clicked on it before. But the only way REST framework will be showing maybe is in view, right? I don't know. Maybe I should close this and open it again. I don't know why I should be installing Mushroom, right? Oh, the AC is so cold. So subscribe to this channel. That's what I'm bringing the bootleg tutorial. I'm going to be using Codex. I'm going to get all the codes I need from Codex because it's way faster to create a website like that. Seriously, a man does the Python. Let's say source env. Oh, there was an attempt to kill any coders. Oh, cancel. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Refresh. Let's see if it works. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's open. Okay, let's start again. Okay, CD, same issues again. CD Resbrotherx. Let's do it again. Still the same thing. Okay, let's make it our Python. Make migrations. Let's make migrations. Okay, say REST framework. Okay, let's install REST framework. I don't know why it'd be asking me for REST framework. Okay, let's see where it's asking me for. Manage. Codex, manage. Choose back. Manage. Core. Let's see. Click install REST framework. Let's download the REST framework. Okay, REST framework. No, I'm not going to the official site. I want to install it. Okay, no, okay, I'll copy it. requirements already satisfied. Okay, so what's now? Okay, so why is now? Modern interest framework. Let's see if it's in the setting or what. I don't know why it's saying this. Maybe it's not going to be showing it in your own because you downloaded it new. Okay, it's there. It's there. So why is it telling me this? I don't know. I would have duplicated this first. Okay, so I don't know what this is wrong with this, but it was working properly the other time, and I wish I had my ATM with me on phone. I would have paid and get another one. I wish I did. So I'll get another one. I don't know how to explain this to. Except I'll go to their website and comment this, find some questions or let's find some answers to this. It says no model named REST framework, which probably REST framework is inside. If you go to the whatever study because let's see VMV lab site packages, it's here. The REST framework is installed. So okay, let's say it's not the issue, then maybe I don't know, like import model. I certainly did. Okay. Now, thanks for watching. Oh, episode 12. In the next video, that's episode 2. I'm gonna be going straight to working with what we installed here. So we'll be taking advantage of this. I don't think we really even need it to run, but I've been with the view. Thousands of views are here to create our app, WhatsApp clone, and please please get it before the next episode because we'll be working faster because of the boom play will be ready. Boom play clone will be ready, and everything I used so far will be dropped in the link description below, and just get it. So after downloading, if you still encounter same issue, which I know you ain't gonna encounter same issue with me, what is showing right over here, because I've tampered with the code so far. I've tried to do some ashy stuff, but yours is going to display it's kind of displaying very nice, whatever, like just like Django. So it's going to display something nice with their whatever studio. So I'm pretty sure then you can go through the code the before the next one, for the next tutorial. Please let me go catch some sleep because it's been a while. So after that, I promise to come live to finish the next episode to start game. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch up to you next time.